hello. I shouldn't say good morning because I don't know when you're going to watch this video. And this video actually goes on my YouTube channel, but I share my videos on Facebook, Instagram, and just want to share information so that people can be more knowledgeable. It's all about knowledge. Knowledge is power. A lot of things that I share, information that I share, may not help you right now, but maybe it will help the next person that you do know or somebody you don't know. So any information that I share and it's helpful, don't forget to what? Share this video. Today's video, I'm going to talk about the pros and a few of the cons of being a member of a credit union. If you have Boost Credit, or I don't really like to say the word bad credit, but if you have Boost Credit or blemishes on your credit, the way to go is a credit union. Now, how do you become a member of a credit union? Is you can call and find out how do you become a member. There's different ways you can become a member of a credit union. It's affiliation. Maybe you went to college and they have certain schools that are affiliated with the credit union. For instance, the Michigan State Credit Union or Oakland University Credit, that's affiliated with the college. You can be a graduate or a student to be a member of the credit union, or there's other affiliations like family members, friends. In the area where I live, you have Genesis Credit Union. You have Chief Pontiac Credit Union. Credit unions do more for their customers. And credit unions are nonprofit. Nonprofit credit unions are all for their members. They spread their money around to their members. They do not pay federal taxes, and they have lower fees. If you have blemishes on your credit, do you want to pay that 20 or 25% interest rate? Or if you are a member of a credit union, you qualify for that lower interest rate. Or they will take in consideration your story. What happened? Why did you get into that certain situation? When you come to the dealership to get a car from me, honestly, it doesn't matter to me where you get the money from. You don't have to get the financing from the credit union. Now, do I advise you to? Yes, because it's teamwork at the credit union. But if you come in with a check from the credit union, or you come into the dealership and you say, well, I'm going to use my credit union. I just joined the credit union. They said they can get me a certain rate. Then I'm going to say, okay, what is the name of your credit union? And then the reason I'm going to ask what's the name of your credit union, because I'm going to see if we are signed up with that credit union. Because that credit union may give you that 2.9, that 1.9 interest rate, if you qualify for it. And if you don't qualify for that 1.9 and that 2.9, then you may just qualify for that 7 or 8%. Then versus coming to the dealership, maybe you're going to qualify for that 18% or that 15%. So again, a credit union, you will have lower fees, a checking account. You know, if you go to the bank, one of the big banks, and I'm going to give the names in the video, Chase, Bank of America, they're going to charge a fee for a checking account. Their fee is going to be higher. Now, what my advice would be is to have an account at the credit union and have an account at the big bank, because the credit union is going to have less ATMs. You're not going to be able to find a lot of ATMs if you need to withdraw money. Credit unions are owned by the people, by their members. Banks are shareholders for profit. So the banks are going to have more options, but the credit union may have less options, but they'll have, in some cases, better rates. When you come see me now at the dealership and you say you belong to a bank, Bank of America, Chase, PNC, I'm going to actually give you a card to my banker at the credit union. And the reason I'm going to do this is because you need to have your money at the credit union, because you never know when you might need that $1,000 loan or that $1,500 loan. You go to one of the big banks, if your credit score is 580 or 600, they're going to say what? Nope. I need your credit score to be higher. I hope that I gave you a couple options or some things maybe you did not know. Me personally, I belong to a bank and I belong to a credit union. And let me just tell you why. The bank, they have ATMs. I can go get some money faster if I need to, because they have more Chase around than they do my credit union. Then another way that I subtract getting money out of my account is And people don't probably think about this. What they're probably thinking is, you know what, when I go to another ATM, they charge a withdrawal fee. But a quick way to get quick money when you need it, $20, $40, $10, is when you go to your local store. You can use your card, your debit card, and withdraw cash. So that's a quick way for you to avoid those fees, is when you go to your local drugstore. Another way for you to avoid those fees, if you go to Target, and Target is located all across the United States. If you pay by your debit card, in some cases, well, not in some cases, you can withdraw money from there. Just a small amount, but you can withdraw that quick and that easy cash. I hope this helps. And if you're looking to go buy a car, check your local credit union for the rates. Or if you're going to the dealership, ask the salesperson or the finance manager, do they deal with a local credit union so that you can get a better rate? Again, it's all about you saving money in the long run, because more money you save, more money in your pocket. All right, guys, thanks for watching my video.